everyone, welcome back to Summertime Countdown. So glad you could come back. Anyway, so today is day 3. Day 3 means it is an odd day, and I'm going to Pinkee Jeans box. I've got 2 boxes here, and it's a build up to 21st day of June, which is the first day of summer. And for those of that don't know it, summer is my month, is my time. I was born in July, so build up to summer. Yeah, I'm a summer baby. My poor mama. So let's see what we got for day 3. Day 3, it says number 3, spa day is good any season. I would agree with that. I was thinking I need to do a pedicure. That's a summertime thing. If I was thinking about it, that's what I should have done. Oh my goodness. We got bath bombs, eye patches. It's the it's hydrogel under eye pads. And they're kind of summer colors, colorful, bright, avocado, nourishing mask. Oh yeah, summertime colors. Got some fibers and something for the hairs. Curl enhancer. My hair, I actually straightened it because my hair has been really curly lately. Like really curly, so I've been blow drying it and straightening it some days to be different. So anyways, I'll have to check this out. Spa day. She's saying maybe I need to do a mask Monday sometime soon, maybe? Huh, Auntie? I haven't done one in a long time. I just kind of been a little overwhelmed with things. So let's move on to a blessing card. Maybe this will bless your day. And let's see what it says. You are loved. Jeremiah 31:3. Yes. Even in the darkest hours, you are loved. Even when you don't think you're loved, you're loved. So this is a beautiful little message for everyone. I hope you can see it. I know this thing is terrible. There we go. And there I am. So again, this is day 3. Don't forget to go down below. Click on Jean and Kel's links to find out what they got today for their 3rd day of countdown to summertime. Yes, June 21st, right around the corner. All right, till tomorrow. Bye.